Hey guys, Skullflag44 here, bringing you another Photoshop tutorial. This time it's how to make a perfect custom background for your computer. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to whatismyscreenresolution.com. Pretty simple. I think I'll put a link in the description if I need to. Not sure if I'll remember it, probably won't, but if you guys really need it, just go to whatismyscreenresolution.com. So right here it'll tell you you are using blank by blank. And so pretty much what that tells you is what to put in the Photoshop like little dimensions, I guess. That is what it is. And so mine's 1680 by 1050. Yours might be different, just whatever it is there. And so then you want to open up Photoshop here and do File, New, and then fill this in. See, do I have it here? Oh, I have Desktop Res. Don't you like that little preset there? And so you just do 16, or the first number here, second number here, bam, you are good to go. And so this is the part where it kind of becomes like, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna be making a background for myself, but you guys can kind of vary off this, kind of do your own thing, because at this point you just need to make sure you have that right size, and that's pretty much all that you need to do exactly for it to be a perfect thing for you. But here I'm gonna start with a gradient because I like me my gradients, but I'm gonna make a custom one just to be, no, am I really? Let's see, what does the transparent stripes look like? That looks stupid. Not doing that one. Okay, should I just make my own? Okay, should I just delete all this, because I don't like this now. I don't like this. No, I'll just make my own. Okay, so I'll show you guys how to make your own custom. Okay, we'll just start. Let's start with this one, but I'll just change up a few colors. Okay, bam. So this color, oops, I'm gonna want to delete this color, right? Delete. There we go, and just replace it with one by just clicking there, and it'll create one for you. And this color, I'm gonna want, say, a darkish green. This color, I kind of want a little white silverish, maybe. I'm going to kind of go with some colors in my school a bit, just to make things fancy. And for here, if you want to get this exact same color, you can just click over here and then click again, and then delete this little sucker. So we don't want him anymore, and bam, there you go. And so that's pretty simple. I think I might add a different color here, just make it a little more complex. Let's go with a little bluish. And a little bluish there. Alright, so that should be pretty sweet. And now here I can just drag whichever way I want. Not really liking that. Not really liking that either. Can I go? Let's see. I know there's a way to. Here we go. I want like a little different design here than the usual. Nope, that looks weird. Can I make a bigger one? Okay, let's just stick back to the regular one. There we go. I guess that's good enough. Didn't really turn out how I wanted to, but you guys can play around with that until you find one you like. And then, so here, you're going to want to add a text box. I know a lot of you guys are Minecraft people, and so there's actually a Minecraft font, which you can just search Minecraft font. It's kind of hard to find. I'll see if I can get a link in the description. If you guys really can't find one, look for or just search it and then ask me in the comments if you need it. So here I'm gonna just put Skullflag 44 because that's what I want my background to say. You can put whatever text you want there, or if you don't want any text, then you don't have to put any text, but I think it looks better with text. And so here, let's see, what do I want this? Should I get like a, if I did a red, what if I did yellow? Ooh, that looks kind of cool. Like that. So I'm gonna get this to about, let's go like 52. I'm just making it a little larger here. And can I center this? I think there's a way to center it perfectly, but I honestly don't know. So I'm gonna get that. That looks pretty good. And oh nope, doesn't actually. I lied. There we go. That's good enough. And from here, I'm going to go do this over here, Go to blending options, and now I can add a stroke to it. That looks pretty sweet. Let's see what the shadow looks like, because these are best ones, I think. I like the stroke, and I think I'll just leave it black. You can change the color here, add a gradient if you want, but that gives a good outline for it. And then here's where it gets, so like here, that's a pretty solid background. Like, it's just nice and simple, clean. I don't really like it, but the format, works nice. Or gradient than text, but it's pretty simple. But this is where you make your money right here. You're gonna want to download. Just search for Photoshop brushes. I don't remember the exact one I downloaded, but there's a ton of just crazy, awesome brushes out there. And so first I need to click on the background, and I can get like one like that. Like, how cool does that? It just went from like pretty cool to just bam, just like epic, right? Look at that. It makes it look so much more awesome. It's like a galaxy or something. I'm just like scrolling through here and I'm just like seeing little dots. I was like, okay, that looks pretty sweet. But now you get your yellow here to correspond to there. You get this. Oh, doesn't that just look so much better? I just love that. Like, and then here you can add some nice little wisps to it, places that need a little low on. Like, so that's just a nice little fold through there. And honestly, I think that's pretty good for me. But you can add things like trees. Like, that looks pretty cool. I think I could build a pretty cool one like off of that. But I just like this kind of like star feel. I don't know. Wow, that just looks awesome. And so I'm just gonna keep it like that, and that's pretty much it. You can add all sorts of stuff. There's really some weird ones here, but man, that is just great. And I could add something like that, but not even gonna mess with it because that just looks great. So just kind of mess around with brushes, look online for some, and find one that you like, and then just kind of format it. Just kind of put some brushes in it. Just have fun with it. Fit it to you. There's no like a direct way to do this. Like, place one here, place one here. Just like kind of, it's your background. It's not like you're posting this anywhere. So, yeah. So then you're just gonna want to save it and set as background. I'm sure you guys know how to set as background. I'm not gonna go into that because it's different for each computer, Mac or PC, and this should be a problem. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna set that as my background now because that is just great.